Also, maybe not the best news for starting off 2021. It is a storm alert weather day. Now, we do have rain this morning, but this is not the time period that we're concerned about as far as that severe weather risk. But I do want to start off and talk to you about temperatures because this is going to come into play. We have a warm front in play today and a cold front. So it's going to be when we're in the warm sector ahead of that cold front that we'll be dealing with those stronger storm potential. And you can see that Dalton, Fort Payne already in that warmer area. So 63 in Dalton, 62 in Fort Payne. These temperatures are well above what would be the normal high, and this is during the morning time. Everywhere else we are in the 50s, 52 degrees from Chattanooga, Cleveland up to Athens and in Dayton. And winds from the north-northeast at 6 miles per hour. A little bit later today, it is going to get breezy. We'll see some wind at about 10 to 20 miles per hour, generally coming from the east and then out of the southeast. Here's a breakdown of your full planner. So some scattered storms at 8 a.m., potentially some stronger storms from mid-morning through about lunchtime, 64 degrees at that point at noon. Storms pretty much kind of wrapping up by about 3 o'clock and 68. There may be a stray little shower after that, but we're not talking about that real storm potential being there anymore. Clouds starting to break by 6 p.m., 67 degrees, and definitely much quieter weather by the time we get to 9 o'clock and 59. So here's the severe outlook for the day today. You'll notice compared to yesterday, there are no areas in that yellow or the orange. So we're just talking about that level 1 marginal risk, that dark green color across a good portion of the southeast from Nashville, Chattanooga, Atlanta, all the way over into South Carolina. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more into our local area, and the further to the east you are, the further to the north, you're not under that severe threat. Just some general thunderstorms for you. It's really going to be for Chattanooga to the west and Chattanooga to the south that we're talking about being in that level 1 marginal risk. As those storms move eastward, they're really going to be breaking apart and the environment's not going to be quite as conducive for that stronger storm development. So what are our kind of two main threats? Well, number one will be damaging wind risk. So you can see that same area highlighted in that brown. Again, this is on that lower end risk, but we want you to be aware of it. And number two, unfortunately, we can't rule out the potential for an isolated tornado. So this is not going to be like Easter Sunday, but heads up, if you're in this area in green, have ways to get weather notifications today, just in case. So far, we're not seeing any kind of severe weather further to our west, but we'll continue to monitor that all morning long and, of course, keep you updated. So here's that big picture setup that I was describing with that warm front right across our area. So Dalton, Fort Payne, again, you're already in that warm sector. And it's going to be these lines of storms here right along that cold front ahead of it and right along it that we're going to be watching as it moves into our area for that severe potential. Of course, the further to the north and west, they have some sleet, wintry mix, and snow showers ongoing. We are not going to see any of that for our area. Mild temperatures for us for the day today. We're just talking about that rain and storm event. Light showers right now, but there are a couple of little break spots. So not everybody's seeing that ongoing rain. However, you probably saw some at some point during the past couple of hours. So roads will be wet this morning. As we go through the morning time till about 7 a.m., you can see those pockets moving through across our area. And then for about 8 a.m. to 3 p.m., that's when we're going to have those bands of some stronger storms coming through. Here's positive about 9:40. You can see some of that blocks right around Dade County, down into Fort Payne area, continuing through about lunchtime. And then into the afternoon, we're going to have kind of a second wave of these individual little pockets that are going to start to develop when we have stronger gustier wind. So a lot of you may end up staying dry. There are definitely going to be scattered storms. And then within that, that's when we could see some of those stronger storm potential. But notice by about 3:30, there's not much that's out there left over. There could be a few stray little showers at that point where we're not expecting any kind of stronger storms then, even a few little stray sprinkles until the evening time. Clouds will be breaking up. Overnight tonight, I'm still going to call it mostly cloudy, but overall we are looking at much nicer weather for your day on Saturday. So partly sunny for Saturday. You are going to have sunshine, especially during the middle of the day. Clouds increasing by late afternoon because we'll have another little wave and some scattered showers moving across our area for Saturday evening, continuing into Sunday morning. That's going to be associated with the cold front that we'll really see those temperatures kind of dropping. So Sunday will be cooler. Even into Sunday early morning up along the Cumberland Plateau, you may see a couple little spitting snowflakes depending on how cold that it gets. Most of the day on Sunday, though, is going to be dry. Total rainfall for the day today, about a ½ inch to an inch and a half on average, but where some of those stronger storms develop, could see some places up to 2 inches. 69 for your high in Chattanooga. If you're to the south and west of Chattanooga, you'll probably get up into the low 70s, more like mid to upper 60s if you're to the north and east of Chattanooga. So rain and storms, that isolated severe potential. Again, it's low end, but it's there, so we want you to be aware of it, hence the storm alert weather day for today. And then 46 for the overnight low, those showers ending, winds from the southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow for your Saturday, it'll be nicer weather, 62 degrees with a mix of sun and clouds, and then evening time time showers moving across our area. Here's that full 7-day forecast. So the red box around for the day today. Whether you get stronger storms or not, I'm sure you're going to see some rain at some point for the day today. So have that raincoat and umbrella with you and turn on those weather notifications for your phone. A little bit nicer for the weekend. By Sunday, cooler temperatures with a high of 52 and then lots of sunshine for Monday and Tuesday. Lori?
At least we'll get some nicer temperatures for Saturday and Sunday. That's on the bright side. Allison, thank you.